realized anything? Yeah,
go through the parking lot.
No, we just go through it here. It's fine.
Let's go riding some pump track. Oh.
Da, da, da. This way. I mean, I don't know if this is the way you're supposed to go, but this is the way we're doing it. It's like, these kids are like mesmerized by this shit. I get some mad parents to come over here and say something.
No way. That dad's over there all the time. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I wish he's having as much fun as we were.
That's right. I wish. Travis, Grom or kids? I mean,
Grom. No, there's no question about it. Well, that was fun. I thoroughly enjoyed that. We got 2 laps on the pump track, so we're good.
Going for a third.
No. That's a pretty fun little track for what it is.
Yeah, it is.